In this lesson, we are solving a powerful algebra problem involving perpendicular lines and x-intercepts. Problem: find the equation of a line perpendicular to 4x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0 and having the same x-intercept as x minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Understand the problem. We need a line that is perpendicular to the first line, which means we will find the slope from that line, sharing the same x-intercept as the second line, which means we will calculate the x-intercept from that second line, and then build our final equation. Step 2. Find the slope of the first line. Start with the line 4x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Solve for y. Minus y is equal to minus 4x minus 9. Y is equal to 4x plus 9. So, when we compare with slope-intercept form, y is equal to mx plus b. The slope m is 4. Perpendicular slope means we take the negative reciprocal. Slope m is equal to negative 1 over 4. Step 3. Find the x-intercept of the second line. Take the line x minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. At x-intercept point, y is equal to 0. So, x minus 0 plus 12 is equal to 0. X plus 12 is equal to 0. X is equal to negative 12. So, the x-intercept is the point negative 12, 0. Step 4. Build the new line using point-slope form. Slope is equal to negative 1 over 4. Point is negative 12, 0. Use slope-intercept structure. Y is equal to mx plus b. We put values. M is equal to negative 1 over 4. X is equal to negative 12. Y is equal to 0. So, 0 is equal to negative 1 over 4 times negative 12 plus b. 0 is equal to 12 over 4 plus b. So, b is equal to negative 3. Step 5. Write the final equation. Now that we have found the value of b, we can write our final equation using y is equal to mx plus b. Y is equal to negative 1 over 4 x minus 3. Or you can also rewrite it in standard form. X plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more math lessons, like and subscribe.